Dude, that's fucking awesome. Dude, isn't that so sweet? You have a like electric boat.
Yeah, it needs more weight in the front, and then I could probably just send it.
Yeah, it's too tall. It's too front end high, eh? Dude, it reminds me of a CD or something.
Yeah, it's jet. It is taking the weeds pretty good.
That's awesome.
Oh, I think I sucked in some weeds. It looks to be clear. Maybe the battery's just getting weak. Uh-oh. Yeah, the battery's getting weak.
Oh shit, man.
Yeah, imagine
What
losing
would
it out
you
here.
do if
I'd send out that airboat.
Oh.
But yeah, that's
So you need to have two.
works pretty good. I got
That's fucking awesome. I can't believe how quick it is. It looks like a little CD or something.
Can you hold that? Here. It's not even that wet. It's dry in there.
Nice.
Holy
Oh, you
moly.
put that in there to like absorb the water?
Yeah.
That's smart.
Fuck yeah. I think that worked pretty good.
Fucking
I just gotta weigh down the front a bit.
Yeah.
Woo!